95% of traders fail. And no, it's not because they don't know strategies. It's not because the market is rigged. It's not because they didn't watch enough YouTube videos. The real reason is far more uncomfortable. Your own mind is silently working against you. Your worst enemy in trading isn't the market. It's you. And until you understand this, you will repeat the same cycle: deposit, lose, blame, repeat. Here's the first truth most traders refuse to accept. The human brain was never designed for trading. Your brain evolved thousands of years ago for survival, to hunt, to avoid danger, to seek quick rewards. But trading requires the exact opposite: patience, delayed gratification, emotional neutrality, and the ability to sit in uncertainty calmly. That's a problem, because your brain hates uncertainty. Dopamine breakdown. Every time you open a trade, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical released when you gamble, eat junk food, scroll social media, or get a notification on your phone. That dopamine hit feels good, and your brain wants more of it. This is why traders overtrade, not because they don't know better, but because they are unconsciously addicted. You tell yourself, just one more trade. Let me recover this loss. I feel lucky today. That's not logic speaking. That's dopamine. Let me make this very clear. Most traders are not trading the market. They are trading their emotions. They open trades when they're bored. They trade when they're angry. They trade when they're afraid. They trade when they're excited. And the market punishes emotional decisions brutally. The illusion of control. Another psychological trap is control. Your brain hates feeling powerless. So when a trade goes against you, you try to control the outcome, moving stop losses, adding lot size, revenge trading. But the market does not care about your emotions. It does not reward effort. It only rewards discipline. Now let's talk about fear, the silent account killer. When your trade goes red, your amygdala activates. The amygdala is the survival part of your brain. It does not think logically. It only asks one question: am I in danger? So when you see red candles, your brain reacts as if you're being attacked. That's why you close trades too early, panic sell, ignore your plan, revenge trade. You didn't lose because your strategy was bad. You lost because your brain hijacked your decision-making. Here's the cycle most traders are stuck in: hope to excitement to overconfidence, loss to fear to revenge, blown account to self-blame to repeat. Pause. And the most dangerous part? Your brain starts identifying with this pattern. You stop seeing yourself as a trader who sometimes loses and start seeing yourself as a losing trader. Now listen carefully, because this is where everything changes. Your identity controls your behavior, and your behavior controls your results. If you see yourself as impulsive, you'll act impulsively. If you see yourself as unlucky, you'll subconsciously sabotage wins. If you see yourself as disciplined, your brain will find ways to confirm that identity. The 5% difference. The 5% of traders who win are not smarter. They are not luckier. They simply trained their identity before chasing profits. They don't need excitement from trading. They don't chase dopamine. They follow rules even when it feels boring. In trading, boredom is a superpower. The real shift happens when you stop asking, "How do I make money?" and start asking, "Who do I need to become?" A disciplined trader, a patient trader, a risk-focused trader, a process-driven trader. Because once your identity changes, your habits change. And once your habits change, your results follow. If this video exposed patterns you recognize in yourself, that's a good thing. Awareness is the first step to mastery. I've created a community where I break down not just strategies, but the psychology, discipline, and identity required to win consistently. If you're serious about becoming part of the 5%, check the link below. Stop fighting the market. Stop fighting yourself. Because the market isn't your enemy. Your old mindset is.